Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. I am back after really a long time and I won't disappoint you because I am back with a home tour. But I am so sorry, this home tour is not a video tour, it's a picture tour. But it is too beautiful to miss. So I really hope you will love it. This home is designed by architect Vipin Bakiwala and assisted by architect Abhay Gupta. Vipin has his own design firm called VBDS and more about it can be found in description box below. And now let's begin the home tour. Suraj, the residence in Jaipur with 9,000 square feet area was conceptualized with the amalgamation of traditional and modern elements by Vipin Bakiwala, the architect who is deeply connected with the roots of Indian heritage. The entrance lobby is enhanced by a beautiful tree wall mural in bright golden color. The mural surrounds itself with a small water body and garden area loaded with numbers of planters and traditional stone jali. The traditional symphony is accentuated right from the outset of the house. The main door in wood exhibits intricate hand carving with little brass flowers. The same carving is replicated on the ceiling of the duplex area in living room to praise the traditional essence. Three-story bungalow has a small lift lobby at the entrance with an adjoining staircase. The lift has golden colored door and is designed in wood inlay. On the ground floor, we see a formal drawing area, lobby and guest bedroom. The first floor, where the owner spends maximum time, has a living area cum lounge, a dining, a kitchen and 2 bedrooms. The living area has a fine balance of elements. Interiors are tastefully done wherein the choice of decor is kept to earthen shades with glint of brighter shades of purple to make it more welcoming. The elegant decor is complemented by pleasing furniture, upholstery, floor coverings, curtains, carpets and other accessories. The dining has customized table with an onyx marble top while the chairs are upholstered in earthy tones just like the living room sofas. Wide glass windows give good view of planters placed in the broad balconies to make a perfect setting to laze and soak in the nature. The grandparents' bedroom is designed with glimpses of contemporary feel with wooden paneling done on one of the walls. The master bedroom is styled simple with wooden flooring, raw finish furniture and walk-in closet. It has a spacious attached bathroom with beautiful landscaping that doubles up as a walk-in dressing area. The children's room, on the other hand, is done up in orange, contrasting with the shades of grey. One of its walls has prominent geometrical cutouts with ambient lighting that add a dramatic effect to the space. Outside the master and kids' bedroom is a small sofa sitting to sit and talk or watch TV. I'm sure you love this home tour, and in case you want to pin the images, I have added my blogs link in description box below, and this is my Instagram ID and this is my Facebook ID. You can connect with me there too. I'm working on lots of videos, so stay tuned. Until then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye.